Welcome to our discussion on the fascinating merger of decentralized finance and artificial intelligence. It's like the next frontier in rethinking how we deal with money and data.
Yep, absolutely. It's an area where both technologies promise to reshape financial transactions and decision making, right?
Right, exactly. So, on one hand, we have DeFi, which is all about openness and transparency thanks to blockchain. And on the other hand, there's AI that's pushing the limits on efficiency, security, and personalization.
Mm-hmm. I'm really curious, how do you see AI reworking the landscape of decentralized finance?
Well, AI is sort of like supercharging DeFi. It improves risk management through predictive analytics. It looks at historical data and current market trends to evaluate risk factors better than
Right.
traditional methods.
So is it fair to say that AI is basically adding a layer of intelligence that makes crypto trading or lending more responsive? Like, is that what we're getting at?
Exactly. Think of platforms like Aave that use machine learning to optimize lending rates and assess credit worthiness. It's kind of like having an always on system that adjusts strategies in real time based on user behavior and market
Yeah.
volatility.
That's really transformative. But what about challenges? There must be some thorny issues when merging these two innovative fields.
Oh, definitely. You see, integrating AI with blockchain isn't trivial. There's a technical complexity that's challenging. The decentralized and immutable nature of blockchains means that adjusting AI algorithms within them can be quite a
Hmm.
puzzle.
Right, and I've heard about the so-called black box issue with AI models. It must be a tough sell on something as trust-centered as DeFi.
Exactly. The lack of transparency in some AI models makes it hard for users to fully trust automated decisions. DeFi thrives on being transparent and fair, yet if users don't understand the AI's inner workings, then that trust might erode over time.
Yeah. So, in a way, while AI brings efficiency, it also introduces a potential opacity that could undermine one of the core values of decentralized finance. Isn't that a bit of a paradox?
That's a great point. And I actually see it as a call for developing explainable AI models within the DeFi context. If we can open up those black boxes and show users how decisions are made, then we can really harness AI's benefits without sacrificing transparency.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense. What about, say, the risks related to security? Given that both AI and blockchain present their own vulnerabilities, combining them might amplify the risks, right?
Totally. Security is absolutely paramount. Integrating AI could expose sensitive data if not handled properly. We're talking about potential threats like um, cyber criminals manipulating algorithms. But there are robust solutions like encryption, secure multi-party computation, and zero-knowledge proofs that help guard against these vulnerabilities.
Right. So the idea is that while the combined system can be super powerful, it has to be built with security in mind from the ground up.
Precisely. Security protocols need to be as advanced as the AI itself. For example, projects like Chainalysis are already using machine learning to detect fraudulent or suspicious behavior in DeFi transactions. It's all about um, creating a safety net within these systems.
Yeah. Now, moving towards the benefits, can we touch on how AI is creating personalized financial services in this space?
Oh, definitely. AI can analyze an individual's transaction history, risk tolerance, and even spending habits to deliver tailored financial advice. It's like having a financial planner who is um, accessible 24/7 and can fine tune investment strategies based on
Mm-hmm.
real time data.
That sounds pretty futuristic, but also very practical for everyday users. Essentially, you're saying that AI can democratize high-end financial planning by bringing it to the masses.
Yes, that's the goal. Tokenization of AI services is another fascinating trend, where you can have fractional ownership of AI algorithms or even use tokens to access these personalized financial services. This ties back into the whole ethos of decentralized finance, making advanced services accessible.
Yeah. It's almost like a new market is emerging where data itself becomes a tradable asset and AI models are available as a service, right?
Exactly. DeFi is paving the way for decentralized data marketplaces, where data providers can monetize their data securely, helping AI developers train better models. It's a kind of synergistic ecosystem. Everyone benefits.
Mm-hmm. Speaking of synergy, what about the use cases? Could you elaborate on a few concrete examples where AI is already making an impact in DeFi?
Sure thing. For instance, automated trading is a big one. AI enhances trading systems by processing vast amounts of data in real time to execute trades based on preset strategies. Platforms like SushiSwap use AI-driven tools to help users navigate complex features like liquidity pools and yield farming.
Right. And we can't forget about credit scoring for decentralized lending. Instead of relying on traditional credit checks, AI can look at on-chain data to assess creditworthiness. That seems revolutionary.
Absolutely, it completely redefines risk assessment. It's like taking a holistic look at someone's financial footprint on the blockchain rather than just their off-chain history.
Yeah. But here's a thought. Given that AI systems rely on huge data sets, isn't there a concern around privacy and data security?
That's a valid concern. Addressing privacy is crucial. Techniques such as secure multi-party computation and zero-knowledge proofs ensure that even while AI analyzes user data, sensitive information remains encrypted and
Mm-hmm.
private.
So it's a balance between harnessing data for precision and ensuring user privacy isn't compromised. Got it.
Exactly, it's a tough balancing act. And then there's the regulatory aspect. Both DeFi and AI are evolving so quickly that regulators are struggling to keep up. This creates an environment of uncertainty where innovative solutions might face hurdles simply due to shifting
Right.
legal landscapes.
I can see how that might slow innovation. Isn't it a bit odd, though, that technology is racing ahead while regulations can lag behind?
It sure is. And that's an issue that needs addressing. Without a clear regulatory framework, both developers and users might be hesitant to fully embrace these new systems. That said, regulatory pressure can also drive innovation in transparency and security standards.
Yeah. Now, there's a really interesting case study, the Terra collapse, that highlights the risks in AI driven DeFi. What are your thoughts on that?
Ah, yes, Terra is a sobering reminder of what can go wrong. Their dependency on an automated system without sufficient human oversight proved disastrous. The algorithmic errors, biases, and an over-reliance on automation led to a collapse that cost billions. It's a cautionary tale illustrating that even sophisticated systems can fail dramatically if not carefully managed.
Mm-hmm. So it seems the Terra case really underscores the need for a blend of automation with human oversight, right?
Exactly. That balance between AI automation and human intervention is vital. Transparency in how algorithms work and their inherent adaptability to sudden market changes can help reduce such systemic risks.
Yep. Looking ahead, what does the future hold for this integration of AI and DeFi?
Well, the future is very promising. We can expect more sophisticated, transparent, and explainable AI models, which will further enhance financial services. This means not just efficiency, but also entirely new products, from real-time personalized financial planning to democratized access to investment strategies.
Yeah. It's amazing to think about a future where everyone, regardless of their financial background, could access banking and investing tools powered by AI on decentralized platforms.
Absolutely. It's like the AI and DeFi collaboration is setting the stage for a more inclusive, efficient, and innovative financial landscape. And while challenges remain, the potential rewards make it a pursuit worth advancing.
Mm-hmm. Thanks for such an engaging discussion. It's clear that while the path is complex, the synergy between DeFi and AI is set to redefine how we interact with financial systems.
Totally, and staying mindful of the challenges like security, transparency, and regulatory issues will be key to unlocking its full potential. This integration is not just about technology, but about reshaping the very core of financial interactions.
Yep. Well, it's been an enlightening chat. I'm excited to see how these innovations evolve moving forward. Thanks for the deep dive.
Always a pleasure. And here's to a future where AI and DeFi work hand in hand to create a more robust and inclusive financial ecosystem.
Mm-hmm.